At Best Remote Workers, we offer specialized accounts payable (AP), accounts receivable (AR), and reconciliation services to help businesses maintain accurate financial records, improve cash flow, and ensure compliance. As a trusted outsourcing partner, we provide cost-effective and scalable solutions tailored to your business needs. Our AP services ensure timely and accurate processing of invoices, vendor payments, and purchase orders, helping you maintain strong supplier relationships and avoid late payment penalties. Through automation and real-time reporting, we minimize errors and optimize workflow efficiency. With our AR services, we manage invoicing, payment follow-ups, and collections, ensuring steady cash inflow and improved DSO, days sales outstanding. We maintain a proactive communication approach with your clients to keep payment cycles smooth and predictable. Our reconciliation experts meticulously match transactions across bank statements, ledgers, and accounting software to identify discrepancies, reduce financial risk, and support audit readiness. Whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly reconciliation, we ensure your books remain accurate and up-to-date. Partnering with Best Remote Workers means gaining access to a skilled finance team, enhanced accuracy, and cost savings of up to 50% over in-house processing.